Bobcat trailer to over here. And this is gonna be our snow fleet. Now I'm gonna go over this truck. This is a 2005 Dodge Cummins turbo diesel with a Fisher Mini-Mount 1 Storm Guard on the front. It's got a flatbed with a 50-gallon diesel tank and irrigation toolbox for all our irrigation stuff in the summer. Right now it has shovels on each side. We have 14 shovelers in the storm. We have bags of Lesco ice melt. And I'm gonna have to sweep these trucks out. There's no broom in it. Alright, that's not fine. That's not okay. My dad wanted it started, so I didn't know if he wanted me to leave it running. But this truck should have a broom inside of it. I'm gonna clean out the trucks. I'll be going over all the trucks in a little bit, but I'm gonna clean them out first. Just doing some winter preparation. We're getting a snowstorm tonight at 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. So we'll be going out at 12 tonight. See, the floor is all dirty and stuff inside the trucks. It's not okay. We asked the guys to clean the trucks out once a day. Gotta get these things prepared. Oh my God. Put this right here for right now. No, I don't even want to touch these. It's like scraping up. Ugh. Need safety goggles cleaning up these trucks. We have a lot of work tonight, guys. We're gonna be out late. I'm gonna be out till tomorrow, probably midday. So I gotta get home later today, get some rest. It's 11 o'clock right now in the morning. So rest is all you could use for a snowstorm. Rest with a snowstorm goes a long way. I'm gonna have to clean out. Yeah, but this is our 2005 Dodge Cummins. Over here is our Bullet Sterling Cummins with a Western Ultra Mount snowplow. This truck has the Fisher Polycaster in the back, salt spinner, and it has some ice melt bags, snow shovels, and a bucket. We use this truck for landscaping in the summer. But cleaning out the trucks is the best thing I could do before the storm. I'm going off it from the other side. Come springtime, I think we're gonna sell this truck. See this, guys? This is called a disgrace right here. This is the least I could do before a snowstorm. Look at how messy these trucks are. You guys don't take care of them, that's what. Yeah, infection going inside these things. See? Nasty. Should have vacuumed down instead. Onto our Sterling. This truck hopefully this truck is still pretty bad. The guys used this thing Thursday night to solve the Plaza, the New Hampton Inn over in Boxborough. Salt gloves right here for the guys. When the ice melt part comes tonight, that's gonna be the best part, because that's when you know the snow day is coming to an end. There we go. Time for the other side. The other side is locked. Oh yeah, that's right. We can't open that door. Never mind, that side could stay then. Forgot about that. I hit this part with the machine by accident, and the guys did this by hitting the trailer. So you can't open this door now. So onto this truck. Alright, this truck was pretty clean. So, I'm not going to film this part, but this is our 2012 Dodge Cummins with a Fisher hydraulic mini mount 2 on the front. It's got my name on the hood, and it's got a bucket in the back. It's a dump truck. Diesel. Tailgate, trailer hitch. Nice truck. Alright, I'm not going to film this part now because I'm just going to wash the windows of the truck. The windows, the dashboards with some glass cleaner, so nothing exciting. I'm just going to be posting some more videos. And I'll film when we first go out at midnight. So stick with me throughout parts 1, 2, how many parts are going to be to this. Please like, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. Like I said, come springtime, I'm gonna be doing some pranks. I'll be doing some landscaping, some pranking. Yeah, so like, subscribe, and if you want to see pranking and stuff, that's coming in the spring. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, and thanks for watching.